Welcome to our channel. If you want a full tutorial on setting up iMessage on your Mac, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Make sure you are signed in to iCloud on your Mac using the same Apple ID that is associated with your iPhone for seamless synchronization. Step 2. Open the Messages application on your Mac by finding it in the Applications folder or clicking the Messages icon in your dock. Step 3. If this is your first time using Messages on your Mac, you will be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID and password. Step 4. Enter your Apple ID credentials carefully, then click Sign In to proceed with the authentication process. Step 5. Navigate to the Messages menu at the top of the screen and select Preferences to access settings and configuration options. Step 6. Click on the iMessage tab within Preferences to view all the phone numbers and email addresses associated with your Apple ID. Step 7. Enable the phone numbers and email addresses you want to use for sending and receiving iMessages by checking the boxes next to them. Step 8. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap Messages, select Text Message Forwarding, and turn on your Mac by entering the verification code shown on your Mac screen. Test the setup by sending yourself a message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.